Welcome back, friends. Today I want to do a short little video for you regarding getting rid of broadleaf weeds, dandelions, and things like that. So I tried to go more the organic route and really didn't have a whole lot of success out here in the countryside. You know, given the fact that I got about 3 acres as well, that might also make it pretty, difficult and expensive as well. And been talking to my wife and things like that, so she actually wanted me to kind of go with some type of actual herbicide this time around. And so I went with the product called 2,4-D. I'll go ahead and show this to you and talk about this just for a sec. So here's what I bought. 2,4-D, got it at the local Ace Hardware. It's supposed to control common broadleaf weeds. Our main focus, of course, is dandelions. And like I say, I've never used this before, and this kind of goes against me trying to be organic as much as I can, but talking it over with her, she wants to go ahead and proceed. I've already filled up the 15-gallon sprayer here with this solution. So this is a 15-gallon tank, so that's about a gallon worth of 2,4-D in there. It's probably kind of hard to see with the shadowing. And then the other 14 gallons approximately there would be the actual just water. So I'm all hooked up and ready to go. I'm going to be doing this back here, which is about 1 acre. On the other side of the deck there's more yard. I'm not going to walk over there, but yeah, this back piece is about 1 acre, and then in my front I got 2 acres, so there's even more weeds and dandelions and things in the front. So here's a little clip of the basically before of the back lawn. This shows all of the dandelions that we had here in the back, which is about 1 acre of land. So just wanted to show this to you guys as far as like a before, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you the after effect after about a week or two of me using the product. My previous video, I had sprayed the 2,4-D herbicide on my lawn, which I was a little apprehensive about, because for the most part, as you know, in a lot of my videos, I talk about trying to be organic as much as I possibly can. But given that this is 3 acres and it was pretty bad out here, I just felt like I had to use something more potent and something that would cover a lot of space, right? So I sprayed that about a week ago or so, and I've had great results out of this. And so I just kind of wanted to show you some footage of the before and after. So yeah, this is definitely one heck of an improvement. These are all pretty much dead, as you can see. It did the job. It did not harm the grass at all. In fact, I think it's probably going to help the grass because there's going to be less of a choke out type of effect. These dandelions choke out the grass from being able to grow. So I'm very, very pleased with this. Did not harm the grass, killed the dandelions, and then also I noticed it kind of killed some of the other broadleaf type weeds in certain spots. I just walked over a pretty good example of that here a second ago. I had a bunch of them out here. Look at all these. Yeah. Very, very pleased. I'm out in the front of the property now, and yeah, the product did the same good work in the front here. I have not mowed yet because I wanted to give this time to activate. It's also important that you don't mow too quickly, that you leave a couple days in between from the time you apply it and then after. That way you give the solution enough time to activate, right? But today I'm getting ready to go ahead and mow now that I see that the grass is coming up and that bet the weeds are pretty much dead, you know. Again, this stuff did really well. I got a lot of acreage, and yeah, this stuff did really well. So here is a couple of shots of the front lawn. I forgot to do one of the back, but this is of the front lawn after the weed killer was applied over the past couple weeks, and then this is the final result after me mowing. So just kind of wanted to show this to you guys. Cool. I think this lawn is starting to have some success. Well, hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed these before and after pictures. Again, this is me using a herbicide 2,4-D. Again, I was a little hesitant on it. You know, I try to be as organic as I can at all times, but given the acreage I have and everything, it was going to be a heck of a thing to try to get rid of all these. Now, when it comes to grub control and things like that, that's kind of a different story. I think I've already started to have some success out of using organic methods for grub control. And again, my wife and I are definitely rookies to all this stuff, being out in the country and, you know, gardening and treating lawns and everything. So I'm sure I'll learn better techniques as time goes on. But for now, it's done the job. So hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing, liking the video, leave us a comment as well, and be sure to share us with your family and friends. Until next week, I will talk to you soon.